Welcome to the last part of special functions. In the previous video, we found the series solution of Legendre differential equation. The solution is given by y is equal to a naught into the term containing the even powers of x plus a1 times the term containing the odd powers of x. So we denote the first term by y1x and the second one by y2x. So a naught y1x plus a1 y2x is a general solution of Legendre equation. So in this video, we try to analyze a naught y1x and a1 y2x. So before we get into that, let us quickly glance through the polynomials. So as we know, polynomial is an expression which contains two or more algebraic terms. That means an expression of the type a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1, a2 x power n minus 2, so on up to an, where a naught, a1, a2 up to an are all constants and n is some non-negative integer. So this kind of expression we call it as a polynomial. The condition is the powers of x must be non-negative integers, either 0 or all positive integers. For example, 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. Here the highest power of x is called as the degree of the polynomial. So here 1 is the highest power of x here. So 2x plus 1 is a polynomial of degree 1. 3x square plus 5x plus 7 is another example of a polynomial with degree 2. 4x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 10 is another example of a polynomial, and the degree of this polynomial is 3. So this is a polynomial of degree 4, and this is an example of a polynomial of degree 10. And a polynomial of degree 0 is just some constant. So the condition is all the powers of x must be positive integers, and highest power of x is called as degree of that polynomial. So 3x power minus 2 plus 5x plus 7 is not a polynomial because the power of this particular x is minus 2, a negative number. So this is also not a polynomial because one term has the power of x is 1 by 2. So this is not a polynomial. All the powers should be non-negative integers. So this is not a polynomial again because the first term has the power of x as minus 1, which is a negative number. So these are all not polynomials. So polynomials will have all the powers of x as positive numbers, positive integers, and the coefficients are some number, real numbers. Okay, so in this video we discuss about what are called as Legendre polynomials. So if I go back to the solution of Legendre differential equation, I have two parts here, a naught y1x and a1 y2x. So let me denote a naught y1x as capital Y1. So it is a naught into 1 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial x square, n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 3 by 4 factorial x power 4, and so on. And a1 y1x I denote by capital Y2, which is a1 into x minus n minus 1, n plus 2 by 3 factorial x cube, n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 2, n plus 4 by 5 factorial x power 5, and so on. So in the first expression, if you want to write the next term here, the coefficient of x power 6, so it will be n minus 4, n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 3, n plus 5 by 6 factorial. In the next term, if you want to write the coefficient of x power 7, it is n minus 5, n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 2, n plus 4, n plus 6 by 7 factorial into x power 7, and so on. So if you observe here, suppose n is a positive even integer. If n is an even integer, so in this first expression, this capital Y1, if I take n as a positive even integer. For example, if I take n is equal to 2, if I take n is equal to 2, so this term becomes 0, the third term becomes 0, and every other term contains n minus 2, because the next term contains all these 4 terms plus additional 2 terms. One is n minus 4, then n plus 5. So every term contains n minus 2. So if I take n is equal to 2, so this third term onwards, all terms will become 0. So then we get only a naught into 1 minus some constant into x square. So this becomes a polynomial of degree 2. Degree 2. See, if I take n as say is equal to 4, so I get first term, second term, and third term. The fourth term will contain n minus 4. And fourth term onwards, all the terms will contain n minus 4. Therefore, all those terms will become 0 for n is equal to 4. So I get only a naught into 1 minus this constant into x square and some constant into x power 4. So this is a polynomial of degree 4. So in general, if n is a positive even integer, then this capital Y1 becomes a polynomial of degree n. For n is equal to 2, it is a polynomial of degree 2. For n is equal to 4, it is a polynomial of degree 4, and so on. So if n is equal to 0, so except the first term 1, all the terms will become 0. So I get only a naught into 1. So some constant, which is a polynomial of degree 0. So in general, if n is a positive even integer, capital Y1 becomes a polynomial of degree n. In the same manner, if I take n as a positive odd integer, for example, if I take n is equal to 1, so here the first term of this y2 becomes 0. The second term also contains n minus 1, so that becomes 0. And every other term will contain n minus 1, so all terms will become 0. So we get only a1 into x, which is a polynomial of degree 1. If I take n as 3, n is equal to 3, then except first and second term, every other term will become 0, because all terms will contain n minus 3. So we get a polynomial of degree 3. So in general, if n is a positive odd integer, then this y2 becomes a polynomial of degree n. So for even integer, y1 is a polynomial of degree n, and for odd integer, y2 is a polynomial of degree n. But in both these polynomials, a0 and a1 are arbitrary constants. So if n is a positive even integer, y1 is a polynomial of degree n, and it contains the arbitrary constant a0. For odd integer, capital Y2 is a polynomial of degree n, and every polynomial contains a1. So if we select a0 in case of y1 and a1 in case of y2 in such a way that the value of these polynomials is equal to 1 for x is equal to 1. For example, if I take n as an even integer, say example n is equal to 2, then y1 becomes a polynomial of degree 2. And this contains the arbitrary constant a0. So if I select a0 in such a way that if I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of this entire polynomial becomes 1. So if I choose a0 in such a way that if I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of the polynomial becomes 1. Suppose if I take n as say is equal to say 3, then y2 is a polynomial of degree 3. So all these terms will become 0. I get a polynomial of degree 3, and it contains the arbitrary constant a1. So choose a1 in such a way that if I substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial, the value of this entire polynomial should become 1. So if you select a0 in case of capital Y1, a1 in case of capital Y2 in such a way that the value of these polynomials is equal to 1 for x is equal to 1. Then these polynomials are called as Legendre polynomials. So what are Legendre polynomials? The Legendre polynomials are either capital Y1 or capital Y2. So capital Y1 if n is even integer, capital Y2 if n is positive odd integer. Along with that, a0 or a1 are chosen in such a way that the value of the polynomial becomes 1 for x is equal to 1. Then such polynomials are called as Legendre polynomials. And we denote those polynomials by Pn of x. So Pn of x is a notation for the Legendre polynomials. So that means Pn of x is either y1 or Pn of x is y2. So Pn of x is y1 if n is a1 integer and a0 is selected in such a way that the value of the polynomial becomes 1 for x is equal to 1. Pn of x is capital Y2 if n is odd integer. Along with that, a1 is chosen such a way that the value of the polynomial is equal to 1 for x is equal to 1. So that means Pnx is a0 into 1 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n minus 2 n plus 1 n plus 3 by 4 factorial x power 4 and so on, where n is an even integer and a0 is chosen properly so that the value of this polynomial is equal to 1 when you substitute x is equal to 1. Similarly, Pn of x is a1 into this term if n is an odd integer. Here also a1 is chosen in such a way that the value of the polynomial becomes polynomial becomes 1 for x is equal to 1. So for both the condition is Pn of 1 should be equal to 1. So when I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of this polynomial must be equal to 1. So in both the cases. So in the first case n is even integer, second case n is odd integer. Okay, so let us take some particular values of n. Say for n is equal to 0. So in this polynomial, if I take n is equal to 0, so all these values will become, all these terms will become 0. We get only a0 into 1. So p0 of x becomes a0. So this is a polynomial of degree 0. But this becomes a Legendre polynomial only if p0 of 1 is equal to 1. When I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of this polynomial should become 1, which is possible only if the value of a0 is selected as 1. So if I select a0 as 1, then the value of this polynomial becomes 1 for x is equal to 1. So therefore, p0 of x is equal to 1. Here if I substitute x is equal to 1, so p0 of 1 will be 1. So p0 of x is equal to 1 is a polynomial of degree 0. So this is a Legendre polynomial of degree 0. Similarly, if I take p1 of x, so n is equal to 1. So n is odd integer. So I'll select this pn, substitute n is equal to 1 here. So all these terms will become 0, except first all the terms will become 0. So p1 of x will be a1 into x. So p1 of x is a1 into x. So this becomes a Legendre polynomial only if p1 of 1 is 1. If I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of this polynomial should become 1. So again, this is possible if I select a1 is equal to 1. So choose a1 is equal to 1 in this case. So when n is equal to 1, you choose a1 is equal to 1. So you get p1 of x is equal to x. So in this polynomial, if you substitute x is equal to 1, the value of this polynomial is equal to 1. So this is a Legendre polynomial for n is equal to 1. Similarly, select n is equal to 2. So 2 is an even integer. So take the first case, put n is equal to 2 in the first one. You get a0, 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square, which is a0 into 1 minus 3x square. So this is 2 into 3 by 2, so you get 3x square. So this becomes a Legendre polynomial only when p2 of 1 is equal to 1. So if I substitute x is equal to 1 here, so the value of this polynomial should become 1. Only in such case we call that polynomial as a Legendre polynomial. So this is possible if a0 into 1 minus 3 into 1 square is equal to 1. So this gives a0 as minus 1 by 2. So When n is equal to 2, select a0 as minus 1 by 2. So p2 of x from this becomes minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3x square. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 3x square is 3 by 2 x square. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 is minus 1 by 2. Take 1 by 2 common. So get 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. So for n is equal to 2, the Legendre polynomial is p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. So if you verify here, if you put x is equal to 1, so get 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, it becomes 1. So this is a Legendre polynomial of degree 2. Similarly, for n is equal to 3, so n is equal to 3 is an odd integer, so you get a1 into x minus 2 into 5 by 3 factorial x cube, which is nothing but a1 into x minus 5 by 3. 3 factorial is 3 into 2, so 1, 2 get cancelled, so get 5 by 3 into x cube. So this is a Legendre polynomial only if p3 of 1 should be equal to 1. When you substitute x is equal to 1, the value of that polynomial should become 1. So which is possible only if a1 into 1 minus 5 by 3 into 1 cube is equal to 1. So if you simplify this, you get a1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So for n is equal to 3, select a1 as minus 3 by 2. So in that case, we get put a1 equal to minus 3 by 2 here, you get p3x is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 5x cube minus 3x. So this is a Legendre polynomial for n is equal to 3. Again, if you verify, put x is equal to 1, you get 5 1 cube minus 3 into 1, you get it as 2 by 2, that is 1. So this is a Legendre polynomial of degree 3. So like this, you can find the Legendre polynomials of various degrees, p4x, p5x, and so on. But this is going to be a little difficult task. That is, we need to find the proper a0 and a1. For that, we have a formula called as Rodriguez formula. So this gives directly the different Legendre polynomials. So the formula is given by Pn of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power n, n factorial, nth derivative of x square minus 1 power n. So this is known as Rodriguez formula for the Legendre polynomial, Pnx in general. In this formula, if you substitute n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, you get different Legendre polynomials. For example, if I substitute n is equal to 0, so p0 of x is 1 upon 2 power 0, 0 factorial, 0th derivative of x square minus 1 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, x square minus 1 power 0 is 1. 0th derivative of a function means that function itself. So get this entire term is 1 and 0th derivative of 1 is again 1. So get 1 into 1 as 1. So p0 of x is equal to 1. So get the polynomial directly here. For example, n is equal to 1, p1 of x, put n is equal to 1, you get 2 power 1, 1 factorial, first derivative of x square minus 1 power 1. So 1 factorial is 1, 2 power 1 is 1, we get 1 by 2. X square minus 1 power 1 is x square minus 1. So differentiate x square minus 1 with respect to x. So get 1 by 2 times the derivative of x square minus 1 is 2x. So get p1 of x is equal to x. So earlier also we got p1 of x is x by selecting proper a1. Here we get directly the p1 of x is equal to x. So p2 of x, put n is equal to 2. So get 1 by 2 power 2, 2 factorial, second derivative of x square minus 1 power 2. So 2 square is 4, 2 factorial is 2, you get 1 by 8 into second derivative of x square minus 1 power 2. So 1 by 8, second derivative of x square minus 1 power 2 is x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. To differentiate this 2 times with respect to x. So the first derivative is 4x cube minus 4x, derivative of 1 is 0. So differentiate again, we get the derivative of 4x cube is 12x square minus 4. Here 4 is common, take it outside, cancel with this 8. We get p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. So earlier also by selecting proper a0, we got p2 of x is 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. Here you can get directly the value of p2x. So in this Pnx, in this Rodriguez formula, substitute n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you get the different Legendre polynomials. So P0 of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is x, P2 of x we get out as 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1, P3 of x, so it is given by 1 by 2, 5x cube minus 3x, P4 of x is 1 by 8 times 35x power 4 minus 30x power 2 plus 3. So all of you can try getting this P3x and P4x using Rodriguez formula. Here remember, for P1x the power of x is 1. For P2 of x we have only even powers, x power 2, x power 0. P3x has only odd powers, x power 3, x power 1. P4x has only the even powers, 4, 2 and 0. So these are the different Legendre polynomials. So like this you can get the other polynomials like P5x, P6x and so on. So based on these Legendre polynomials, we have a few examples. The first example is, so given the general polynomial, express this polynomial using the Legendre polynomials. So Legendre polynomials are P0, P1, P2 and so on. So express the given polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomial. So the given polynomial is a polynomial of degree 3. So to express this in terms of Legendre polynomials, we write the given polynomial is equal to a into P3x. Here we have the highest power of x as 3. So we'll start with P3 of x, a into P3 of x plus b into P2 of x, c into P1 of x plus d into P0 of x. Here P0, P1, P2, P3 are Legendre polynomials. A, B, C, D are the constants. So that we need to be found by using the actual Legendre polynomials here. So let me call it as number 1. Now here substitute the P3x, which is 1 by 2 times 5x cube minus 3x, or 5 by 2x cube minus 3 by 2x, b into P2x, 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1, or 3 by 2x square minus 1 by 2, c into P1 of x is x, d into P0 of x is 1. Now equate the coefficients of different powers of x. So equate the coefficients of different powers of x. Here the highest power of x in the right hand side is 3. Its coefficient is 5a by 2. And the coefficient of x cube in the left hand side is 1. So equate 5a by 2 with 1. The next highest power in the right hand side is 2. So the coefficient of x square is 3 into b by 2. Equate that with 2. So like this, equate coefficients of different powers of x. So the coefficient of x cube in the right hand side is 5a by 2. In the left hand side is 1. From this we get a is equal to 2 by 5. The coefficient of x square in the right hand side is 3b by 2. In the left hand side it is 2. So we get b as 4 by 3. So coefficient of x in the right hand side we get it as minus 3a by 2 plus c. So if you see here, the coefficient of x is minus 3 by 2 into a, that is minus 3a by 2, and this plus c. So coefficient of x is minus 3a by 2 plus c, and left hand side is minus 1. So from this, substitute the value of a and simplify for c. So get c as minus 2 by 5. Equate the constant terms on both the sides. Right side minus b by 2 plus d is a constant term. Left side is minus 3. b is 4 by 3. Substitute here, you get the value of d as minus 7 by 3. So once you find a, b, the values of a, b, c and d, substitute in equation number 1. So you get the given polynomial as 2 by 5 p3x plus 4 by 3 p2x minus 2 by 5 p1x minus 7 by 3 p0x. So this is the given polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomials. take another example. So we're given a polynomial of degree 4. So express this in terms of Legendre polynomials. So similar to the previous example, write the given polynomial using the Legendre polynomials. So here we have the highest power of x is 4. So we start with a into p4x. Then write all the remaining polynomials b into p3x plus c into p2x, d into p1x plus e into p0x. So we need to find the values of a, b, c, d and e. For that, substitute the value of p4, which is 1 upon 8 times 35x power 4 minus 30x power 2 plus 3. So take 8 inside, you get 35 by 8 x power 4 minus 30 by 8 x square plus 3 by 8. B into, this is p3x, c into p2x, d into p1x is x, e into p0x is 1. So once again, equate the coefficients of various powers of x on both the sides. So the coefficient of x power 4 in the right hand side is 35a by 8. Here it is 1. Coefficient of x cube is b into 5 by 2, that is 5b by 2. Here it is minus 2. Coefficient of x square is minus 30 by 8 into a, that is minus 30a by 8. And we have one more x square term here, it is 3c by 2. So left side, the coefficient of x square is 3. So like this, equate the coefficient of various powers of x. So we get the coefficient of x power 4 on both the sides. So we get a as 8 by 35. Equate the coefficient of x cube on both the sides. We get b as minus 4 by 5. The coefficient of x square is minus 30a by 8 plus 3c by 2. Here substitute a as 8 by 35 and simplify. You get c as 18 by 7. Similarly, we get d as minus 26 by 5. And equating constant terms. So constant term in the right hand side is 3a by 8 minus c by 2 plus e. Left side is 5. Substitute a is 8 by 35 and c as 18 by 7. So we get e equal to 31 by 5. Then substitute these values in equation number 1. You get the given polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomials. So this is a method for expressing a given polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomials. So practice these examples. So two polynomials are given, one with degree 3, another with degree 4. So try to express them in terms of Legendre polynomials. So this is the answer for the first one, and this is the answer for the second one. So this completes about the special functions. Thank you.